Hello, Alice. Thank you for joining us here. I'd like to just ask you a couple of questions about your stay at Liaison College and about your cooking career. But first, Alice, how was it that you became interested in cooking?
I became interested in cooking as like a kid because it seemed like a fun thing to do. And like I really liked baking too because, I liked eating it, so I wanted to make it. And about like halfway through high school, my mom had me like making every other meal because she didn't want to do the work and I could cook it, and that's just sort of what happened. And then after high school, I like moved out and like started living at where I worked. And they wanted to like give me like, I guess, more responsibility. And they were like, Alice is really good at cleaning. She can be your assistant cook. And I was like, okay. And it just turned out to be something I was really good at and something I really enjoyed doing. So, and then like a year later, our head cook left because she had another job opportunity. She really needed to go. And then around that time, they discovered that because they're a nonprofit organization, that they can get a government grant to send me to cooking school. So they signed me up for that. And then our head cook left. And then I was kind of sent into the kitchen to sort of take over and fill that space. I wasn't like running the kitchen, but I was taking on a lot more than I had before. And then I started going to school, and it's been pretty great.
And what would you say your favorite part of being at Liaison College is?
My favorite part of being at Liaison College is probably just learning everything. There's a lot of things that I had no idea existed up until this point that I've discovered, and learned how to make a lot of things that I didn't know what they were. And that's pretty cool. Pretty exciting.
That is very great. And what do you hope to do after Liaison College?
To be perfectly honest, I don't really know.
Okay.
It'd be really nice to work in a restaurant or a place where I can apply what I've learned. I don't know if I'm going to do that because, COVID happened, and who knows what I'm going to be doing in 2 months, so.
Okay, that's fantastic. Thank you so much, Alice, for joining us and sharing your story with us about your experience at Liaison College. And we wish you lots of luck and success in the future.
Thank you.